Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we will explore how to enable and disable the autofill feature in Google Chrome. Autofill can save your time by automatically entering your personal information into forms, but there are times when you might want to manage or disable these features for privacy or accuracy. Let's dive in. First, launch Google Chrome on your computer. To enable autofill for addresses and payment methods, click on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the browser window and select Settings. For addresses, click on Autofill and Passwords, then select Addresses and More. For payment methods, click on Autofill and Passwords, then choose Payment Methods. To enable autofill for addresses, toggle on the option Save and Fail Addresses. For payment methods, toggle on the option Save and Fill Payment Methods. By enabling these options, Chrome will save your information and automatically fill it in when you encounter relevant forms. If you prefer to enter your information manually or have privacy concerns, you can disable autofill. To disable autofill for addresses, toggle off the option Save and Fill Addresses. For payment methods, toggle off the option Save and Fill Payment Methods. Disabling these options will prevent Chrome from automatically filling in your information on forms. To view, edit, or delete saved autofill data, to edit an entry, click on the three-dot menu icon next to the entry and select Edit, update the information as needed, and click Save. To delete an entry, regularly reviewing your autofill data ensures that Chrome uses the most current and accurate information. While autofill enhances convenience, it's crucial to be mindful of the security implications. If you share your device with others, consider disabling autofill to protect your personal information. Avoid using autofill on public or shared computers to prevent unauthorized access to your data. Be cautious about saving sensitive information such as credit card details, especially if your device lacks proper security measures. Managing the autofill feature in Google Chrome allows you to balance the convenience with privacy and security. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can enable or disable autofill as per your preference and ensure that your personal information is handled appropriately. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and share for more tips and tutorials. Stay tuned to our channel. Thanks for watching.